Hey everyone! Today we're gonna have a morning Gua Sha routine to depuff, lift and glow. Here you can see my face transformation in 2 years. Before I start, I spray water on my face for extra hydration. Immediately after that, I apply my facial oil all over my face and my neck, and I gently tap it into my skin. Then I start the massage with lymphatic drainage. I start on my collarbones, then I go up to the sides of my neck. Then I move up to my ears, nose, brows, and temples. I usually keep it simple when I want to massage my face with Gua Sha, so today it's gonna only take me 30 seconds for the lymphatic drainage. I massage gently with my fingertips, just increasing the blood circulation. When I finished, I go on my collarbones with my Gua Sha and I do the same movement for 5 times on each side. Then I move to the next sides and draw all of the toxins out of my face. I do these moves for 5 times on each side. Then I move to my neck and double chin area and start to slide upwards with my Gua Sha for 10 seconds. With this move, I'm increasing blood circulation, helping double chin fat to melt away. For the next move, I go to the jawline area and I slide from my chin upwards to my ears with my Gua Sha, and then I go downwards on the sides of my neck. I'm doing this for 5 times on each side. This move will sculpt the jawline, reducing double chin fat and helping the jaw muscles to tone and shape. It will also release jaw tension. Next move is an effective move to lift the jowls. With my Gua Sha, I slide upwards for 5 times on each side. Keep it simple and slide smoothly with a medium pressure upward. This move will also lift the lip corners. Next, I go to smile lines area and I start to unfold by lifting the skin in this area. I do this 5 times on each side. Next move is for lip muscles. Start to vibrate under the lower lip for 5 seconds, then move to the upper lip and start to vibrate for 5 more seconds. In this way, you're gonna warm up the lip muscles and make them ready for the next exercise. Slide your Gua Sha slowly around your lips 5 times clockwise and 5 times counterclockwise. This move will strengthen the lip muscles and reduce barcode lines and any wrinkles around the lips. Next move is cheeks lift. Move slightly and smoothly on your face for 5 times. Start from the smile lines area and move upwards towards your ears smoothly. Do this for 5 times on each side. This exercise is so effective as it reduces any lines and wrinkles on the face. Next exercise is face sculpting. With this side of your Gua Sha, start to move upwards on your face for 5 times on each side. This simple move will sculpt the cheekbones and lift the face. Even now you can see the lift on my face. Next, I move up to my forehead area. I start to slide upwards on my forehead with vibrating my Gua Sha for 30 seconds all over my forehead. This move will reduce any wrinkles on the forehead. It will also reduce muscle tension in this area, unfolding frown lines and lifting forehead and brows. For the next move, start to slide your Gua Sha smoothly upwards on your forehead again for 30 seconds. This move will again unfold any horizontal wrinkles on the forehead, lifting the eyes and brows. It's also relaxing and will help to reduce the toxins in the skin. Next exercise is for foxy eyes or cat eyes. This simple exercise will lift the eye corners and brows. Slide your Gua Sha from the corner of your eyes and move on your temples towards your scalp for 5 times on each side. And lastly, finish this routine with lymphatic drainage. Start over your brows and your forehead. Then move to the temples area and the cheeks. Move to the lower face. And lastly, go downwards on the sides of your neck. Repeat the same thing for the other side of your face. Each move will take 3 seconds to complete. By doing these simple movements, you're gonna detoxify your face and reduce stagnant fluid buildup in the skin. Lastly, move to your collarbones and start to slide with your guasha for 3 times on each side. So this was it for today's lifting and depuffing guasha routine. You can do this routine every morning for a glowing face. See you in next video. Bye!